let's rebuild this improved racing LS oil thermostat. I had a little mishap with my oil cooler lines, so it's a good idea to rebuild this thermostat. The guts of this thermostat are held together with these 4 little bolts. This is spring-loaded, so be careful. The aluminum piston and spring are removed. The thermostat piston is taken out. This gasket is removed from the thermostat body. A can of MAF cleaner helps clean everything up. The aluminum piston has slight scuffing on it, so I use some fine Scotch-Brite to polish it up. A quick wipe and the piston is clean again. Every improved racing thermostat has its own rebuild kit. I bought this one and a new backing plate. These are cheap overall, so it makes sense to rebuild it. I applied fresh oil to the O-ring and installed it in the housing. Next up, I put fresh oil on the piston and the thermostat. Fresh oil is applied to the body and the spring and the piston. I don't know if it matters or not, but the aluminum piston has a small groove that faces up towards the fittings. The assembly is spring loaded, so you have to compress it with your hand. It can be a little bit tricky, but it's not too hard. Tighten the 4 tiny bolts. No torque spec this time, just snug. Okay, so now that's done. I also suggest buying the upgraded gasket that improved racing sells as well. The GM gaskets tend to leak a little bit. I hope you liked this very quick filler video.